Seoul, the Korea Herald/Asian News Network. Seoul police on Tuesday, December 19, raided a local university hospital where 4 newborns died one after another in a span of less than 90 minutes, amid suspicion of medical malpractice. Investigators from the Seoul Metropolitan Police Agency searched the premises of Yuho Women's University Medical Center in Mokdong, Western Seoul, to confiscate potential evidence including incubators, injection tools and medical records, the agency said. The move comes as the National Forensic Service, NFS, and health authorities are scrambling to figure out what caused the babies to die abruptly on Saturday evening. Preliminary autopsies have found no evident reason for their deaths except abdominal bloating. Results from full autopsies will require up to a month, the NFS said. On Monday, the Korean Centers for Disease Control and Prevention said at least 3 babies may have been infected with Citrobacter fruendi, a bacterium that is common in adults but can cause respiratory, urinary, and blood infections in infants. The deceased were among 16 premature babies in the intensive care unit. 3 of the 4 were in the same row and the other was in the next row in a section of the same unit. Each row has 3 incubators and each section has 2 rows. Police investigators also plan to summon 6 doctors and 5 nurses to check how the ICU was operated and whether they administered recommended dosages to the babies. Forensic doctors on Monday raised the possibility of overdoses of fluid. While all 4 babies were under total parenteral nutrition treatment, receiving nutrition via injection, administering an overdose of can be detrimental, which often leads patients to death, said Yang Kyung-moo, chief of the forensic medical team at the NFS. He said, however, that the cause can only be determined after the results of various post-mortem tests are out. The hospital has also separately formed an investigative unit comprising 5 medical experts, including Professor Kim Nam-jung, who studies infectious diseases at the Seoul National University. Funerals were held for the 4 babies on Tuesday.